Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tree on chart paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need a large sheet of chart paper, pencils, and an eraser. Also, prepare your coloring tools, such as green, brown, and yellow markers or paints. Don't forget a ruler and scissors for any trimming or straight lines you might need. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start drawing the tree's structure. Begin by lightly sketching a sturdy trunk at the bottom of your chart paper. From the trunk, draw several main branches that extend upwards and outwards, giving your tree a good spread. Then, add smaller, thinner branches branching off from these main ones, creating a natural, intricate look. Next, it's time to add the leaves. Outline the general shape of the tree's foliage around your branches, creating a full canopy. Use various shades of green to add depth and dimension to your leaves, making them look more realistic. For an extra touch, consider incorporating some yellow or brown to suggest an autumn feel. Finally, let's add some finishing touches to bring your tree to life. Use darker brown lines to add texture and detail to the tree bark, making it appear more rugged. You can also include small details like birds perched on branches or a tiny swing. Remember to erase any visible pencil lines for a clean, polished final drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.